Hi, hello my dear students and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are getting prepared for your pre-boards which is coming up in the next month, and since you all have your autumn breaks going on, you will be concentrating majorly on covering the toughest chapters across your maths and science board exam related things. Most of you might feel that trigonometry is really tough, but as I have told you and specified in my video also that it is the easiest chapter. Application based trigonometry questions are majorly covered in the board exam as well as case study part. So we have started this session in which we are going to cover all the questions which are there in your NCERT textbook, even the examples. Example 1 of the textbook. In this question, a tower is standing vertically on the ground. We all know if a tower is there, it will be perpendicular to the ground. So the AB is my tower. From a point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. From a point, this is a point C here. This is a point on the ground, point C, which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. So B is the foot of the tower. 15 meters away is the point. I am considering that as C. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. So if I am standing here and looking at the tower there, the angle of elevation of me with the tower is 60 degree. So this will be the diagram that has to be framed by you. AB will be the tower, BC is the ground, C is the point from where the elevation is happening to A, and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. I have to find the height of the tower. So this is the height of the tower. I will consider the height of the tower as h. For this triangle, my dear kids, draw a small triangle here. This is my angle. For this angle, opposite is known, or I have to find out, and adjacent is given. O by A, opposite I have to find out, adjacent is given to me. At that point of time, O by A is nothing but tan of any angle, tan theta or tan A. So I'll take the triangle given here, in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to opposite is AB divided by adjacent is BC. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 equal to AB is h and BC is 15. So I will cross multiply this, hence h is equal to 15 root 3, which implies 15 into 1.732 meters. That will be our final answer. So what are we doing here? This is a simple example based question in which tower is given, angle of elevation is given, I have to find the height of the tower using a simple angle ratio called as tan. The prediction of angle is the most important thing, as well as interpretation of the question to the diagrammatic manner is the task involved as specified earlier also. So my dear kids, this is the first question, example 1 of the NCERT textbook. A simple example. I hope this was clear to you. If you are unable to predict it, comment below. And if you are able to predict it, subscribe my YouTube channel for further these kinds of videos.